Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use File 0 for Terabox. We'll start by understanding what File 0 is and how it complements Terabox's massive storage capabilities. This guide is designed to make the process straightforward, ensuring you can efficiently manage your files. Get ready to streamline your cloud storage experience with these easy steps. First, let's get File 0 set up on your device. You'll need to download and install the application, then either create a new account or log in if you already have one. The crucial next step is linking File 0 directly to your Terabox account, which grants it the necessary permissions to manage your files. This connection is quick and secure. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're incredibly comfortable, especially when you're sitting for hours managing files. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's get your files into Terabox using File 0. Simply select the files or folders you wish to upload from your local storage. Then, specify where in your Terabox account you want them to go. File 0 provides a clear progress indicator, so you can easily track your uploads and ensure everything is transferred successfully. File 0 makes managing your Terabox content a breeze. You can easily organize your files by creating new folders or moving items into existing ones. Renaming or deleting files is also straightforward. Plus, you can share files directly with others, making collaboration simple and efficient. It's all about keeping your cloud storage tidy and accessible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.